The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new video. Right now we're doing Harmony 1, 35% in green. That this candle over here. This is 1 day, guys. I know this is a weekly chart, but this is 1 day. Because Monday, you know, just 1 day on the weekly chart. This is 7 days, this is 1 day. So look what a 1 day couldn't do, man. 35% green. That's beautiful, that's beautiful. Also, you can see here that we actually managed to break the 20 moving average on the daily, on the weekly chart over here. But we are getting right back above that 20 moving average. And this is a very bullish signal. Just like over here, you break something, you get back right above it. That's a bullish signal, and you continue upwards. Right now we broke below it, we just got back above it. This is a bullish signal. The not so bullish signal is that this low over here, and then this low, you get this low over here. So this is low, this is lower low, this is high, this is lower high. So technically, you know, it's not that bullish pattern forming, but you know, patterns are there to be broken. So at one point you have to break the pattern. You cannot always go like forever and forever. At one point the pattern is broken, and right now a lot, you know, Bitcoin is bullish, everything is bullish. We hit some kind of very low lows, some very important support lines. So the probability that we're going to continue going up, it's there, right? Right now what we have to look for is this 10 moving average over here, this very important 10 moving average. That's gonna act as a resistance once we start getting up there. Also, there's gonna be, yeah, the 10 moving average and the actual resistance up here might actually cause us some problems. So I'm looking at some kind of resistance at 0.13. Anyways, let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger, and actually dive right into it and see what's actually happening beside the weekly chart. Let's see how this looks on the weekly chart. The indicators are good. We got some kind of bearish cross here, but that should turn around once Bitcoin decides to continue the bull run. So we're gonna see how long that's gonna take. This might actually take a while, because if people are correct about accumulation phase during for Bitcoin right now, that's gonna happen, then it might take a little while. If not, we good. So no problem in paradise. Yeah. So you can see here that we managed to get all the way down to the 200 moving average. That's a 200 moving average. It's really important moving average. You can see here, once we started going up, we are never even close to getting to there. So the fact that we are actually holding some kind of levels down here, that's why you're pumping this much. And this isn't only 35% pump. You have to take it into consideration an entire yesterday pump from the bottom to the top. That's 90% pump. You know, and there's a lot of bullishness still in the market, and people are buying the dips, and people are, you know, they like this. You know, they like this. So the fact that we got support on 200 moving average right now, moving above the 100 moving average, it looks quite nice. The thing you should know right now is that, like, big pumps are not sustainable. Even when you're going, doesn't matter if you go down or up, the big pumps are not sustainable. You get some kind of pullback or some kind of sideways move or something like that. 35%, even double 60, 70% is not unsustainable in the long term. So I'm thinking that this 100 moving average might actually act as a resistance today. So the best case scenario, I'm thinking, is just getting barely above the moving average, just like we are right now. Barely above the 100 moving average. And if you can stay there, then I think it's going to be very nice. If you can stay above the 100 moving average over here today, that's going to be nice, because right over here, right above that, there is 10, 20 and 50 moving average acting as a resistance right above our head. Now, best case scenario technically is getting above everything, but I'm telling you, the big moves are really hard to sustain. So just getting up here should actually give us a lot of bullishness. Not only that, previously when I came here, the wick actually showed that this is the support to hold. This is the second week, the support to hold, and we fell right through that. Right now we want to get back above the same support and continue there. And I think this 100 actually might hold us quite nicely to the upside if we continue going that. This is a bullish pattern. 3 patterns over here: the red, the hammer, and the green. This is a bullish pattern, candlestick pattern. So there's a little bullishness going on right there. So I'm gonna show you now what am I looking for on the 4-hour that has to change, or that is actually right now changing, for me to be very bullish. And right now you can see already here that we are breaking the trend. So this is a 4-hourly time frame. And we have been going in a very strong downtrend. And just clean everything. We have been going in a very strong downtrend ever since we went up here. Where is the downtrend? You can see here really nicely that we have been going in a strong downtrend it's really strong down. You don't want to continue going down here because it's going very fast down, right? But right now we are actually breaking, not right now, but we are breaking the downtrend, and this is a very good signal right now that we might actually that this trend is no longer in effect. We are getting some kind of new trend. I'm not saying that we are going to get uptrend. It looks like it's here, it's going to continue forever, but it might go something like this, might go something a little bit down there. The fact is that this trend that we just had, the fast downtrend, is now being changed for one of these other trends. Which trends are we gonna get? We don't know. We're just gonna see and what we get. But right now, the downtrend is over and the trend line is broken. So some kind of other trend is in effect pretty soon. That said, I think maybe something like this over here might actually play a role. Yeah, this is a trend line, but I'm looking at more something like this where it should be. Yeah, but this other one is also getting broken. I'm just seeing it now, so I'm just checking. This is getting broken as well. Overall, the trend is broken technically, and the 10 and 20 moving average is also broken, like you know what. So this is looking very bullish. Now the fact that we didn't have the fact that we are having this big downtrend over here is because this pump happened just prior to this downtrend, so it's pulling us a lot fast. If we just go like something like here, it wouldn't be that bad, but we went up and then went crashed down hard. All right, so right now on the 4-hourly time frame where we are right now, the 10-20 moving average are really important, and I'm telling everybody that right now, and this is happening on all of alts right now. We are breaking the 10 and 20 moving average. We're getting support up there, and we are going to try going higher. This is definitive sign of a trend break, and right now what I'm looking for, like I told you, I'm looking to stay above the 100 moving average. 100 moving average, this is the 100 moving average. I'm looking to stay above the 100 moving average today, and then maybe tomorrow try to break the rest of the lines up here at the top over here. There are some resistance also going on here, but they are not really that important. This one over here might actually be one of the important ones, and we want to break that as well. But however it looks like, we are hitting some kind of resistance now after a 30% move. So you know what I say, you know, sell resistance, buy support, or hodl through everything. You know, take it as you want, you know, but it's you know, word of advice, because I know a lot of people want to FOMO in a lot of stuff right now when I see some kind of big numbers, you know. And like CoinSkid says, you know, you get you buy the big green candle, you get you know, the red, you know what, a red candle. That said, guys, come back tomorrow. We're gonna do maybe an update on Harmony 1. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you want to like the video, or dislike it, or whatever you want to do. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. It does help my channel that you watch my videos. See you around, guys. Bye bye.